Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Gucci rhyton and starting from the package to the box of the shoe itself and everything. My name is Brown from Esquire Shop, so don't go anywhere and let's get started. Okay, so you just see how packaged it is. That's it. You see Gucci is written there, and here you see the serial number. You can see that there. Okay, so when you open the box, the package, you see here Gucci. You see that there. On this foam, you see Gucci there. Okay, so when you take out the box, that's it. And this is that's how it is packaged inside, to show you how professional we are in Esquire Shop. Okay, so now let's talk about this. Is the shopping bag. Gucci is well printed there, you can see that there. And this bag is rough, it's not smooth, it has vertical filling lines here. Okay, you see, open the box like the shopping bag like this, you see that there, you see. And when you touch the Gucci, the words, you can feel it. Okay, that's it, no mistake, everything is good. Okay, so now let's talk about the shoe itself. Talking about, this is the box, and you see that Gucci is well printed there, with the vertical lines on the box, you can see. And our box is made in, that's it, that's how the box is. Okay, you can see everything that comes with the rhyton. These are four dust bags. Okay, you see how it is. You check the tag here, you see Gucci with the vertical lines, and on the wash tag here you see Gucci made in India. The same thing here, the same thing here, and the same thing here, but the difference is that this one okay, so that's all about the dust bags. Okay, so this card will be there. Okay, this one, responsibility, it's written in so many languages, French, English, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic. Okay, that's it. How many responsibilities? Like 4 responsibilities. That's it. Card. 4 of these cards. Okay, with this black, this, and this is the receipt. That's the receipt. You see here the name and the address of the customer, the series number and the price, and so many things. You can check it here. That's the receipt, and this receipt is can be modified. Like, you tell us what you want to have on the receipt. Okay, Those are other things. Now you also have this. This envelope from Gucci. See how it is. Okay, and it was placed here. You see that there. Okay, this is another small envelope with a card. Thank you for buying. And this is the extra lace. Okay, now let's talk about the shoebox label. That's it here. Okay, it is gone under box. That's it. Now let's talk about the shoe itself. That's the rhyton, and you see the box inside here with this extra foam. Okay, we have finished talking about the box. Now let's talk about the sneaker itself. Okay, so let's remove it from these wrappings, because this is to protect the sneaker. Okay, you see how it is. That's the rhyton. You see Gucci is well printed on this on the sole, the rubber sole, and the top is made up of leather, high quality leather. You see that the stitching is well immaculate and nice. You can see that there. And these are the lace. Okay, on the tongue now you see that Gucci is well printed here on the tongue, on this small textile. Okay, and here you see the serial number is here under. The serial number is there and the size. I don't know if it's visible, but the serial number is there and the size is size 7. Okay, you can check the sole. And here inside there you see Gucci, made in Italy. You see that there? Okay. And you see on this side, this sign is there. Okay, that's it. You can just confirm that the shoe is of high quality. Okay, so now let's talk about the next, the other leg. You see, le plus loin, le plus serré is written on this one, whereas you see the two legs are different in their designs. Okay, so now we are talking about this one. You see how it is, and the stitching, everything. You can see that there. You see the sole is made up of rubber. Okay, and the